Okay guys, here I was analyzing NASDAQ, you understand? Then I wanna start with you guys. You understand? I wanna start with you. So then let me put this thing over there, okay? Then I start on a weekly time frame, you understand? Most of the time I start on a weekly time frame. You understand? This is the weekly time frame from my side. I will just put my resistance and put my support, you understand? My strongest support, you understand? And then I will just put the areas where the market did break out, you understand? That is the area on a weekly time frame, and this is the last area, you understand? This is our last area, you understand? Then now we can start to move, you understand? We are moving to what, to daily time frame, you understand? Already you have those areas, you understand? You have those areas, you understand? Then at the end of the day, we know very well that the market will be coming here for the retesting of this neckline, you understand? Once the break, like I want to explain something here. It's very much simple. Okay, once daily candlestick breaks out, then it will retest, you understand? The following candlestick will retest. The following day, the market will retest, you understand? But then on a weekly, the market will not be retesting, you understand? Breakout, then continuation, you understand? Then it will just retest with a weekly time frame, you understand? Using daily time frames, you understand? Then yeah, that is how it's going on. So then as long as we have then support, and we have to get another resistance, you understand? I don't know where we are going to get it, but then let's not even focus on the other resistance and focus on analyzing, you understand? Now as we can see that the market was pushing to the downside. Like this is the major key. I can say like I may say like this is the major key for my side. Like the major trend is the trend inside a trend. You understand? It's a trend inside a trend line. You understand? I haven't drawn another trend line, but then I will just draw it after drawing this one. You understand? Then our trend line started breaking out up here. You understand? First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, then the market did a breakout here and retested. That it shows very well that we are no longer coming back here. We are coming back here, then continued pushing furthermore to the top side, you understand? Then at the end of the day, I want to show you something, you understand? I want to show you something. This is our trend line. Let me draw on the bottom side, you understand? This is our trend line, 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 you understand? And then at the end of the day, this thing right here, it's a trend line and it's also what? A bullish flag, you understand? It's a bullish flag, you understand? Then when the market reaches here, just go down, up and down, up and down, up until it reaches where it gains more momentum and start buying, you understand? Goes back where the trend line started, you understand? The trend line started here and the market did come here. Then what we are looking at right now, we are looking for the market to sell from here, coming down here. Then from here we are buying, you understand? That is how it's done, you understand? Then at the end of the day, then yeah, let's go to, this is our daily, remember? This is our daily time frame. Then let me remove this trend lines, you understand? Let me remove this trend line. The market now did change the movement, you understand? And then let's go to our H4 time frame. Our H4 time frame. The areas that we'll be looking at when if ever the market breaks it, then we know that well, we are going for selling opportunities. It's just this areas, understand? Just these areas, understand? This is the most important support that we need to look up onto, you understand? Once the market breaks it, we know very well that no, bruh, like here we are going to sell hard, you understand? We are going to sell hard, bro. We are going to sell that hard, you understand? That is how it's being done. So let me put this resistance in a proper support in a proper manner. You understand? Let me put this support in a proper manner. Then at the end of the day, so that we can be able to continue. You understand? So that we can be able to continue. Let me just put it like that because there's gonna be put it in a correct manner, but then in this way still fine. Because already we have already covered this week rejection. You know very well that once we break out, then we are no longer coming back. You understand? Then let's go. Now we are done putting our support because already we have a resistance. You understand? We have what? the resistance, you understand? We have the resistance, you understand? Then we know that the market has to push furthermore to the downside, you understand? Then for the market to push furthermore to the downside, you have to see something, you understand? Then here we already see a structure, understand? You can already see a structure, some sort of like a double top, you understand? First top, then second top, you understand? Then this is our neckline, you understand? Once the market breaks, we're going down, you understand? We're going down. But then before we can say that, let's go to the lower time frames and see what the lower time frame has got for us, understand? H1 time frame, the most important time frame. If ever your mentor is not telling you which this, like, what does this time frame is used for, then you're still lost, you understand? I know your mentors, they don't tell you the whole information, you understand? They just tell you whatever they've been told, you understand? They just copycat, you understand? They don't know what they're looking like. They just know how to trade, but then they don't know the importance of the H1 time frame. But then I can't tell you, but then I'll just say it somewhere in this video. I will say it, but then I will never tell you that I've said it. But then if ever you listen to me carefully, then you will grab it. Okay, it's fine. Now as you can see that we have what? We got our resistance, our middle resistance, understand? Then this is our highest resistance, then this is our middle resistance, then this is our support, you understand? Then at the end of the day, what we are hoping for? We are hoping for the market to continue selling, you understand? The market to continue selling, you understand? Okay, it's fine. In that pattern, everything will be okay. Then let's go to 30 minutes, understand? This one is the one that we use for the entries, understand? The one that we use for the entries and stuff like that, you understand? Then at the end of the day, I'll be marking this zone right here. I'll be marking this one. I know why am I marking it. I know the reason why. Understand? I have the reason why I'm marking this one as like my zone. Once the market reaches here, once the market breaks here, I know that the market will be zone one, be coming back. Understand? For instance, I want to show you something. For instance, you know very well that the market, when it opens, it has to open with selling opportunities, you understand? Once the market breaks it, that resistance that I have drawn in 30 minutes, once the market breaks this support, not resistance, this support, once the market breaks this support, the market has to retest, you understand? That will be maybe New York session, you understand? Yeah, that will be maybe London session, you understand? Once London session comes in, the market has to move like this, you understand? The market has to, you understand? It has to, you understand? Up until it reaches down there, you understand? And also, once we break out, we'll be retesting, you understand? Retesting the very same area, you understand? We'll be retesting the very same area, you understand? We'll be retesting the very same area, you understand? Then we're still continuing to the downside, you understand? We'll be continuing to the downside, you understand? Once we reach where we said that if ever we reach, we are going to buy, then we'll be buying, you understand? That we'll be buying, you understand? No matter what, we'll be buying, you understand? No matter what, we'll be buying, you understand? We'll be buying. Once we reach here, we'll be buying, you understand? I can't say like once we reach here, we'll be buying, because I can see like the market did retest here, but what that means at the end of the day, if ever we come a little low, then we can be able to say that yeah, we can buy now, you understand? That is how the movement will be, you understand? For market structures, guys, like most of the time you won't see market structures in the chart, understand? Just like here, we don't have the market structure right here, you understand? It's just the candlestick confirmations, you understand? You have to understand the candlestick confirmations, guys, you understand? Okay, let's move to the lower time frame, 15 minutes. Okay, guys, here is the market structure. Then shoulder, then head, then shoulder. If ever you were trading this movement, you were not even going to be able to spot this sell, you understand? Because if ever you're not familiar with the candlestick patterns, you will never be able to trade, you understand? And now, if ever you trade indices, you know very well that indices you trade indices with the touches, you understand? Once the market touches here, I'm going to buy. But then that touch has to be created from a higher time frame, which is H4 time frame. Okay, here the market touched and started buying. Okay, let's go and check on the 30 minutes time frame. We are using 30 minutes time frame to enter, you understand? You can see The market came here, and the market, this candlestick engulfed the previous one that touched over there, and it left the weak rejection, this candlestick, and it did engulf. Then at the end of the day, you buy here, you put your stop loss right there, then you know that your target is right here. You understand? That is how the market is moving, guys. That is how the market is moving. You understand? That is how it's moving most of the time. You understand? Most of the time. You understand? That is how it's moving. You understand? The market touched here, then confirmed for you with this candlestick engulfing, bullish engulfing candlestick. You buy here, you put your stop loss right here below this weak rejection, below this candlestick weak rejection, below this below this candlestick weak rejection. Then your targets will be here. You understand? This is your target. You understand? But then the market didn't reach there, but then you did know, like, okay, the market did reach there, but then it didn't even reach my target, then I have to close. You understand? That is how it's done. You understand? You will not find market structures. Okay, we found the market structure on the H4 time frame. Then on H1 we didn't even get any structure. 30 minutes we didn't get any structure. You understand? We didn't get any structure. You understand? That is how, like, we'll be trading. You understand? That is the movement of the whole week. You understand? This is the movement of the whole week. You understand? If ever we reach down here, let me remove this line, let me remove this arrows, let me remove this arrows so that when I'm explaining you'll be able to understand. No, not that one. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Yeah, let me go to a daily time frame. Okay, you know very well, once we reach here, but then we can't reach here with a daily candlestick. Maybe Monday a breakout retest, then the candlestick will be having a weak rejection. Then Tuesday we retest here, continuing downside. Then Thursday continuing. Then on Thursday we'll be here. Then Friday we'll be buying. Understand? 4 days for us to come here. It will take us 4 days. On Thursday we'll be here. Then Friday we'll be pushing furthermore to the top side. You understand? That is how the market will be moving. You understand? That is how the market will be moving. So at the end of the day, then we are done with the movement of Nasdaq. Then on a daily time frame, there is the movement. You understand? This is the movement. You understand? This is the movement. This is the purest movement ever. You understand? This is the movement. This is the video that is, like, it's going to be lit. You understand? It's going to be the best video out of my videos that I have uploaded up so far on YouTube. You understand? I'm hoping for those buying opportunities. You understand? I'm hoping for those buying opportunities. You understand? I'm hoping for them, because I know, like, once the market reaches there, he has to buy. You understand? He has to buy. We've been waiting for this buy for quite a long time now. You understand? Then we know very well that once the market reaches there, we'll be buying up until we reach there, up there at the top. You understand? We'll be buying up until we reach up there at the top side. This is the weekly time frame, guys. You understand? We'll be buying from here up until we reach here. Make sure that once you buy here, you hold up until the market reaches there. You understand? That is how it's going to be done. You understand? So at the end of the day, guys, I'm done. Then you will let me know in the comment section whether everything was beautiful. Remember, daily time frame. I want to say something. Daily time frame, you don't do a lot of stuff. You understand? Daily time frame, you just check whether you did put this lines where the market touches, the market reacts in a proper manner. You understand? When I say the market touches, the market reacts, I'm talking about the rejections or the breakouts. You understand? You can see here, this is a rejection. This is a rejection. Here, this is a rejection. You understand? Even here, it's a rejection, breakout. This is a breakout. You understand? But then here's the rejection, then breakout, rejection. Then here is a breakout. You understand? That is how it's being done. You understand? Here is a rejection because we also had a rejection here. Here is a rejection because we also had a rejection over here. But then firstly we had a breakout. You understand? That is how it's going on a daily time frame. You just check whether you did plot them in a good manner. But then H4, you draw the support and resistance where the market is at. You understand? For instance, the market is right here. You draw the support here. You understand? So your support and the resistance. You understand? Someone will be asking, why don't you draw your support here on the highest point? No, I can't draw it here, because at the end of the day, the market came down, you understand, broke, you understand, market came down, then it rejected, and it created what the other resistance, you understand. That means this one we are no longer using it, we are using this one, you understand. We'll be using this one at the top side if ever the market breaks this middle resistance, you understand. We'll be waiting for the market to come here and touch it, you understand. That is how it's being done, you understand. Once the market breaks here, wait for the market to retest and confirm for you so that you can be able to sell, you understand. Sell hard up until the market reaches here, and buy here, buy hard, you understand. So at the end of the day, guys, this is the end of the video. Then you will let me know. H1 time frame, you just check the week rejection candlesticks. You just check the week rejection candlesticks. This is the week rejection candlestick. This is not an entry time frame. The entry time frame will be this one. You understand? On H1, you just check, okay, I had a rejection. That means somewhere, at some time, I'll be entering for selling opportunities. Then you wait for what? You go to 30 minutes and wait. You understand? Your candlestick week rejection is right here, and this is the rejection. You understand? You will be waiting for the entries. Yeah, if ever you don't see a nice entry right here, you know very well that this candlestick, I'm not familiar with them. I'm going to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes. You understand? Which is 15 minutes. You understand? It's not maybe something that it's not good. If ever you enter here and start selling here, then you put your stop loss right here. Your target, it's where? It's not here. Your target is not even here. Your target is down there below. You understand? That is how it's being done. You understand? That's how it's being done. So at the end of the day, guys, this is the end of the video. Then you will let me know. You will let me know. Remember, I said that once the market retests here, make sure that you sell. Once the market comes here, once it breaks out, you wait for it to fully break out. Then one needs to retest it. Wait for that retest to be done. Once you see the confirmation, which you can be able to enter. Once you see the entry points, enter selling opportunities. You understand? Then this is the end of the video, guys. Yeah, you will let me know. I'll provide my contact there, my WhatsApp number. Then if ever you want the mentorship, you will let me know. And if ever you want to join our VIP group and win with us, you will let me know.